goes like this, which means the full energy circulates like this, if you know what I'm trying to say. Everyone get this clearly, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So, in the next depiction, as you can see, all the 7 spheres have those petals, which are product from different adding of the spheres. But the interesting is that they are depicted with bold lines, every one of those. And even in the central sphere, you have a difference. 1 or 6 petals are with bold lines, and the rest of the 6 petals, or the other 6 petals, are with not so bold lines, which are clearly indicating that those 6 petals needs to rotate, needs to move, needs to change the position. And when they are moved enough, there is like a bubble of energy which is growing from the center. The same is depicted in this pictogram. Again, you can see it from those 6 petals. The day needs to change, that this can grow and can shift the rest of the 6 spheres in the periphery. Again, the same message. The key is in rotation of the central one. Again, the same stuff over and over again for 20 years, and we still don't get it. Right? How fast it needs to be rotated? Extremely fast. Extremely fast. This extreme movement is literally producing 2 rings, one towards the center and one towards the periphery, and like a ripples or concentric circles towards the periphery also. Please remember this motif we're gonna encounter in a few other pictograms which are very important. Which means, as the rotation goes to that level, from the base center, that's where the energy is released and starts to pump into the central sphere. Again, the same stuff, the same depiction. The energy goes from the base center and is spread, but again, the direction of motion is the same, as you can see. So, again, the same. Some guys come after this is completed, they can put this one. If you know, just to make that this is a fake, but it's not a fake, it's just showing us the same message. This is in Italy, a very interesting one, right? As you can you see the 6 petals here, right? The primary pulse. Can you see it, right?
Yeah.
And when the dots are literally translated to ASCII code, the number 69 equals E, 61 equal, 77 M, 67 C, 94 square, and 50 actually is a sign for the square. Yeah. So which means energy comes E equal mc square, or energy comes from the central sphere of the flower of life structure. Again, showing us the whole pattern.
Oh, that was Einstein's equation.
The whole pattern, what we need to do, and what they're showing us, if you're not trying to see. So once again, the same message. Guys, understand that the central one is a key. And another one, as you can see, this time as this went into a progression, this disc, if you like, had extended a little, but this one is almost off, is gone, and is intersecting, or should I say better, is influencing the rest of the 6 spheres, is doing something to the rest of the 6 spheres. Again, the same message. Oops. Okay, this is something different. Again, showing us the same stuff, that something from the central sphere is escaping into the rest of the spheres. I will highlight this for you guys, just for you can see easily. By the way, this is the highway. This is the highway, and this is the scale of this formation. It's huge.